I don't know if you can see the time there, but it's 10 to 11. So I'm coming for dinner very late after meeting in Hongdae with my DP and some helpers trying to do some things. So I'm in my market and I'm tired, hungry, so I'm going to eat and I'm going to go back and do a little bit of work. So I'm eating Bokimbap. Bokimbap is generally means fried rice. And tonight I'm having Kimchi볶음밥. So have a look. This one looks a little fancier than normal because it's got little lettuce here, little kim, and a nice egg popped on top here. And so this is kimchi and rice fried together. And it's really delicious. Super fast to make, and you can make it anywhere. Anywhere you can make kimchi or buy kimchi, you can make Kimchi볶음밥. Side dishes and a nice broth. I'm yet to get the name of this broth, but it's really good. You have this after your meal, and it washes everything down nicely. So one last look at my meal, Kimchi볶음밥, and a last little pan of where I am. I think these women want to go home. It's been a long day in the market, and it's terribly cold today. I swear I'm going to get one of these. They're pretty. Take them home with me. Okay, from Gunnam Shujang. This is Mike in Korea and Kimchi볶음밥 in Dolby Sound and high definition.